Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the sync pause on Google Chrome. So if you're facing the sync pause error on your Chrome, because the Google Chrome has forced log out your account from the browser, you can just follow my step here to fix it. So it's basically pretty easy. What you need to do is just open your browser, then just tap on the post in here at the top. You can see that the thing is paused, and what you need to do is just sign in again to your account. So just click on the sign in again button, and here you just need to enter your emails address, then tap on next and enter your password. Tap on next again, and within seconds, your problem is fixed and now the sync is on again. So you can close it, and when you open it, the sync will back on at not post. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!